Odessa. When I first brought Odessa from the hospital, she wore this. And I have a picture where she had her on my arm. Like, I had a picture where she was on top of me and her foot was sticking up, and I still have this picture to this day.
Bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas.
From a distance you can tell.
Good morning, happy Smallvest Day 5. We are currently watching Santa Paws while Odessa's having her cereal breakfast and I'm having my breakfast. So let us watch Santa Paws. Here we go. It's with Madison Pinnis or something. Yeah, Santa Paws is like about a puppy, and yeah, awesome. Hello cousins, welcome back to part of me packing. So as you know, it's Vlogmas Day 5. So while baby girl was sleeping, I was gonna take a nap, and I was like, no, you know, I need to start packing because time crunch is on the loose, and you know, no one else is gonna do it. And I mean, my husband can help during the weekend time, but we gotta crack all this stuff down. So I moved all the stuff that's here, baby girl stuff. Like, apparently I forgot that she got a pool from her grandma up here. I forgot, just so this was baby's blanket when she went to the hospital, and we brought her home in this. Oh, so cute. So I gotta kind of crunch all this. Apparently these are all baby's clothes that she doesn't wear, where I kind of went crazy. And oh, this is part of the thing. Kind of went crazy and bought a bunch of clothes. So I'm gonna go through this bag and see what we got. Oh, this is a oh cool. Could perfectly pick it up. Mele Kalikimaka. That is Merry Christmas in Hawaii, and it says Mele Kalikimaka Ahuli Makahiki Ho, means Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And my friend from Hawaii, one of my best friends from Hawaii, gave me that. So, and clothes. I know it's like a lot of clothes, but I can't just get rid of them. Like, for example, I'll show you something. Odessa. When I first brought Odessa from the hospital, she wore this, and I have a picture where she had her on my arm. Like, I had a picture where she was on top of me and her foot was sticking up, and I still have this picture to this day, and I can't just get rid of this. Like, it's just so cute. And like, this pants was given to her by my grandma from Hawaii. I know it's a hoarder, but maybe if I have another girl, maybe like she could wear it, you know. And I just can't, like, I know it's just a hoarder thing, but she wore some of these clothes and they're guys so much for watching Vlogmas Day 4 and packing with me. It means a lot. Baby girl is gonna wake up soon and we're gonna have lunch. And then I'm gonna continue to pack and like clean up the rest of this baby room. And I'll see you guys next time on Vlogmas Day 5, and then we'll tackle some other different type of boxing, or packing. What did I say? Boxing. Packing, aka put stuff in the box. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching my Vlogmas. Through all the mamas out there who comment on my videos, you guys know who you are, and the special wonderful cousin Ohana, it means so much to take time to watch my Vlogmas, and I'm doing it. It's like actually Vlogmas Day 5, which is like mind-blowing that I actually am like sticking to it, and I'm gonna go all the way through. So yeah, husband comes home in about an hour or so, and yeah, so thank you guys so much. Mahalo no aloha. Catch you guys on the next Vlogmas. Shoots. Mele Kalikimaka.